Introducing the 2008 Nissan 350Z. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this sporty car combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.